Hello. Thank you for tuning in. I finally finished with organizing my shop. It's still a little small, and it's going to be a lot more difficult for me to do a lot more larger projects. But I'm excited about it because this is my shop, you know. There's my air conditioning, my bandsaw. I got to get some wheels for it so I can bring it out here when I need it. Some of the smaller cuts I can just leave it there. That's a Husky, my Christmas present for my wife. There's a workbench with some of my larger tools under air compressor. My lathe. Here's all my clamps. All right. Now, this is the upstairs. There's my pressure pot. And right over here, it's just, it's a work in progress. I haven't got all the tables and stuff that I need to put up here. It's going to be where I finish things. It's going to be where I also store finished projects before I can take them to market. I am not going to be able to do a new project or pour a new project yet. But I do have a project that I've been sitting on for about 2 years now. I poured it in Washington State and I still haven't been able to finish it. Wow. So let's see where this goes. Woo! All right. What I'm going to do is take my caliper and measure the inside of this. All right. So that will be right there.
Every touch feels like a body rush. Every breath feels like falling in love. Only you give me, you fall. Yeah. I think we're melting into one. I wanna give you
Alrighty. Finished my first project I had here. My first project in the new shop. And I like that swirl. Look at that, you know, it's just that marbling they go through. Yeah. Anyway, it's your turn to take it to the comments and let me know what you think. And what do you think of my new shop? I know it's a little small, but it's fine. And let me know what you think about the project and so on. Well, I hope to have a new one sometime soon. The weather is gotta warm up a little bit so I can, because I can't pour inside the house. I have to pour out here, and it has to be above 70 degrees out here to pour it. And so in order to do that, I need to have a heater on all night out here, or wait until about maybe a month or two. But in between, I'm gonna do the best that I can with what, you know. But anyway, I just wanted to put a video up and let y'all know what's been going on with me here. I didn't do a lot more projects in my old shop, is because it was my father-in-law's shop and his garage, and I had spilt resin on the floor, a couple of dots, and I didn't want to completely trash his shop. So out of respect for him and for the fact that it was his property, I didn't want to risk doing too much. I know I could have put something on the floor, but sometimes that leaked through it and that still made a mess. So anyway, thank you for this long-winded video, and I ask you to come back and while you're and while you're pushing thumbs up, if you haven't yet, push subscribe. I need as many subscriptions as possible. And thank you.